Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Another staple food for iftar are spring rolls. And what's not to like about the crispy golden crust of Chinese spring roll? And who doesn't enjoy the savory filling of a juicy cheeseburger? Now imagine them combined. Together they make a delectable appetizer that will quickly become your new family favorite for iftar with a special dipping sauce to reach a new level of cheeseburger. So let's go and make it happen. So first we're gonna make our cheeseburger filling. For that, take a wide open pan, heat some oil, then add some chopped onion and then cook for like a minute, and then add ground beef to the pan and then break it up as much as possible. Then season it with some salt, freshly crushed black pepper and Worcestershire sauce or Worcester sauce, whatever you call it, and then cover and cook until meat starts to brown. Then you stir well and then make sure you keep breaking the pieces. Now if you want, you can drain off the excess water or cook until extra water dries. Then switch off the flame and then add some yellow mustard, ketchup, and shredded cheddar cheese. Now start mixing until cheese is melted and evenly incorporated. The meat should be warm enough to melt your cheese. And then you can add pickles or any other condiments that you like in a cheeseburger as well. Now I'm making an edible glue, which I make with the egg white and flour mixture. You can use the traditional one, the water and the flour mixed together. Now I have the spring roll pastry, a cool down filling, and I'll show you how to roll up a spring roll. Just spread your sheet like a diamond shape. Then take some tablespoon to 2 tablespoon cheeseburger filling, and very carefully and gently start folding the corner towards the middle, and then tuck under the filling, fold both sides corner towards the center, and then dip your finger in egg white mixture and run it along the edges, and then very carefully roll up your egg roll. So here's one egg roll is ready. Follow the same steps for the rest of your filling, and then I'm lining up on a cutting board which is lined with a plastic sheet, and then you can put them in the freezer at this time when they are completely frozen. So just label the Ziploc bag and then transfer your frozen spring rolls into the bag, and then this bag can stay in your freezer for up to a month. So here is my batch of cheeseburger spring rolls ready to go in the freezer for my iftar. And now it's time to make our special dipping sauce. For that, add mayonnaise in a mixing bowl, add some ketchup, some paprika, a pinch of garlic powder, and a dash of salt. And then mix until everything is completely combined, and then the special dipping sauce is ready. Now for the cooking, you can deep fry your spring rolls or you can bake them as well. Just fry them until they get nice golden color on both sides, and then take them out on a piece of paper towel to absorb some excess oil. I was a little thrown off when I came across this recipe by something inside an egg roll that is not the traditional cabbage and meat mixture, but cheeseburger in an egg roll. But trust me, this one appetizer that your family and friends will run to get to first. And if you dare to serve it at a party, people will start climbing over each other and tripping others to make sure they get some of these tasty egg rolls. They are pretty easy to make, but make sure you make enough because they will disappear so fast. And if you're trying this at home, please don't forget to take a picture and send it to me with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. And please remember me and my family in your prayers, and thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.